channels that are creating this type of nursery school rhymes.
Make that sparkly brushing sound. Brush, 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 swish, swish, swish. Smile big, show the shiny teeth.
Are crushing it and pulling thousands, millions, and billions of views. But here is the thing, they are doing it the hard way. Today, I will show you how to create the type of the intro video you saw at the beginning of this video with free AI tools and in less than 10 minutes. Let's go. So the first step in creating these wonderful videos is coming up with ideas, and I don't want you to worry about the prompt you can use to generate a high engaging lyrics of the song you want. So I've prompted it in my Google Docs. I will leave the prompt in the description. So I will just copy it and paste it here. Then I would also tweak it because there are some places you need to tweak. Then it will generate a very intriguing music for you, like you can see here. So once it has given me the music, I'll just copy all of them. Then I'll go over to Suno AI. This is the interface. Just click on this icon here and click on custom because it is usually in simple. Then here that says lyrics, just paste in your lyrics and add the vocals you want, then add your style. For me, I said nursery school rhyme, fun and playful, easy for kids to memorize. Then I'll hit create. Once I've hit create, it's going to create two musics for me. It's usually 4, but the other 2 are for paid users. So now it has generated the musics. I'll just go through them and select. Let's listen first.
The water wash off the shirt. Rub, 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 don't.
Can you see? Very okay. I prefer this one, so I'll just click on this 3 dots down here. Then I'll click download. Then once I've clicked download, to show something like need commercial rights, then you need to upgrade to the pro plan for you to use this for commercial purposes. But you can just download it since you have not monetized your channel yet. So once you've got monetized, just pay for their pro plan. Then we'll head over to ChatGPT again. This time I will tell it to give me an image generation prompt and also their animation prompts down below. So it will give me all of them. I'll just copy them. Copy the image generation prompt first. Once I've copied it, I would go over to Copilot. I will just paste in the prompts. Then once I've pasted in the prompt, I will click on this arrow. Then it will generate the image for me. So it's still generating. So once the image is done, I'll just click on it and download it. Then I'll repeat the process for all the other ones. That's how I created the images. So now I'll just copy the animation prompts of the scenes. I'll copy all of them and go over to the next AI tool, which is Grok. Here is the interface of Grok. Just click on Imagine. So once you've clicked on Imagine, this interface will appear. Then you click on CO, then choose the image you want to animate. So once you choose it, Grok will automatically animate the image, but I recommend you use your prompts. So the AI to give you exactly what your prompt says. Just click on this arrow down here, then click on custom. Then once you've clicked on custom, then paste in the prompt and hit enter. So it will generate the image, and it's not gonna take much of your time. So now it's done. So okay, this is exactly what my prompt says. Just click on this download icon and it will download straight to your device. And that's how I animated all the images you saw at the beginning of this video. Now to put everything together, I'm using InShots. Click on new. Once you've clicked on new, import all the clips you have. Import all the clips you have once you've imported it. And this is one thing I need to inform you about. When you are creating these images, make sure you have at least 2 or 3 variations of one scene, so it would be captivating and not boring to the kids. So it is in 3x4 aspect ratio, so I'll just change it to 16:9. And one thing to know is that images you create with Copilot are usually in 4:3 aspect ratio, but just click on 16:9 and shift this to the end, which is 50, then apply to all. Copilot may flag an image it's supposed to generate for you as not following their community guidelines. So just use Wix AI. That's what I did when I encountered it. Now I'll mute the clips because videos you will animate with Grok usually have audio. So I'll mute it. Now I'll add the music we generated with Suno AI. This is it here, clean up crew. That's what I use to save it. So I would add it into the editing software. Then I would listen to the clip to know how to match it. I won't add the sound yet, so it won't disturb me. But when you are creating your own, you would know how you can do that. Just listen to it carefully and match the visuals with the audio. And always remember to add transitions and make sure you drag it all the way down. So I've added all the transitions and I applied it to all, but I'll change some so it won't look too disorganized or too common. Now there are some times that the visuals may not flow with the dynamics of the music. Just click on speed, then change it. That's the speed. If it is too slow, then increase the speed. If not, decrease the speed. Once everything is ready, just export your video at 1080p. For the auto captions, I used CapCut because InShot doesn't give any free auto captions. Meanwhile, CapCut gives you only 1 free auto captions per month, but it may not be that necessary if you intend doing this on a free plan. So that's how I created that video, and it looked almost like what you can see in Cocomelon. And this is what YouTube calls authentic content. They are easily monetizable and they are also educational. You can also use it to teach your children. And since I created that video, my cousin has always been telling me, "Uncle, please give me your phone. I want to watch that your video." So it can also help your children. So if you don't want to create this type of content only for posting, you can also create it to teach your children. And I have a community where other creators are creating content just like that. They are learning together, building together, and growing together. So if you don't mind, the link is in the description. You can join the community and upgrade what you know. And let's see the final video.
We're gonna join the brush, it's time to go. Up and down, round and round, make that sparkly brushing sound. Brush, 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 swish, swish, swish. Smile big, show the shiny teeth. Take it back. Three little bubbles floating in the air. Pop one here and scrub your hair. Soap your belly, rinse your toes. Clean from head down to your nose. Pop, pop, pop. Shake your towel, dry, dry, dry. Cute little socks all muddy and brown. Into the washer spinning round. Hang them up, let sunshine play. Now they're fresh for another day. Sniff, sniff, smells so clean. Splish, blush, and me and you. Brush and wash the whole day through. Shiny faces, bright and new. We're the happy, healthy crew. A little toy left on the floor. Pick it up and close the door.